What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that have My Lead Gen Secrets technically usually have multiple accounts, usually about 3 or 5 accounts, some even 7 or 10. But we only using one account to kind of get you started and seeing if this works for you. You know what I mean? Works for you, and then you can kind of elevate from that point on and scale up. So, anyway, guys, you interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general. Is because it has 80% recurring income, which is astronomical. That is the highest I have ever heard in any program ever, and that's the reason why I promote this particular product. Now, once you promote this product, you'll start making money and building your income. It's a very good way to do that. You know what I mean? That's all I'm trying to say. So anyway, we're gonna move on here. We're gonna look at our results. So I'm gonna refresh the page here. Do not believe results if they don't refresh the page, guys. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. I'm still looking at this $400 sale like, wow. So this is working for me clearly. Alright guys, it could be working for you too in a very simple method. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna do if you're interested in following on. There's a first link, step 1 link, all-in-one $25 business. Okay, once you click on that link, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you look at this page here and figure out if you want to join or not, click on yes, I want in, or yes, I want to accept for just $25, whatever it may be, right? And it should take you to another video that it's just about a minute of explaining exactly what you're purchasing and stuff real quick, so you're not trying to trick anybody. Make sure people know what they're doing before you purchase something, you know. And after that video done, you can finally purchase the product, $25. You can also choose to get the HBA Premium, guys. Now, HBA Premium, you can get it for 2 weeks for free, but then it's $125, guys. Alright, so you can get that, and what that's gonna do is give you a mirage of ways to promote the product if you want to. I'm particularly doing it a very easy way, but there's a ton of ways to promote this product. I'm just doing one way to show you that it works. Alright, so anyway guys, once you do that, sign in and all that, you'll get to a page that looks something like this. Don't worry about what's down here, worry about what's up here. Now you'll get to this page. This might look different, but this up here gonna be the same. And you want to click on Affiliate Zone. Once you click on Affiliate Zone, guys, you click on sign up for affiliate program here. And don't worry if I'm going too fast. There's plenty of videos about it. I'm just kind of explaining in a faster method. You know what I mean? Faster way. You sign in for the affiliate program. You log into SamCart. That should take you to this page here. Now you're not gonna have money in your account, but you will have your links. Alright guys, and you want to grab the all-in-one $25 business sale letter. That's the link that you want to use. That's the link I've been getting all my sales from in particular. Alright guys, it's working pretty well for me. But yeah, that's the link you want to use. So once you do that, guys, alright, you get your link, you grab your link, click on this right here, copy it, right? Now you go to the second step on my video down there at the bottom below. It takes you to My Lead Gen Secrets. It'll take you to a particular page. You click in, you sign in, you get 100 leads, or you get 100 leads every day, and you sign in, make you an account, and start building up your leads. So once you do that, you'll have some leads here. You send an email to them. All right, I picked making money my first week. All right, so I just go to the next email here. Now if you're interested, you can copy my email if you want to, guys. Very simple to do. Just copy that, holy freely smoly, blah blah blah. Right? and you can copy my emails if you want to. Maybe not this one. The guy, I pick pictures and stuff in this one. Let me pick something a little more simpler. Now, once you have your emails, let me put in another email real quick. This is the one I'm gonna particularly send, but I want to show you guys a simpler one to copy. What's the next one? This right here. So get us to 120 per customer per month, and you just copy this. You can pause it and copy it, guys. So just pause it and copy it. All right, guys. That's what you're gonna do. Now I want to show you another way to get leads here, guys. All right. One more way to get leads is if you did get the HBA Premium for 2 weeks for free. What you do? You go to Emerging System here. You click on the Emerging Magic Content Machine when you got HBA Premium here. This is not available if you didn't get it for free. All right, guys. For the first 2 weeks, it's not available to do this. Now understand, this is a content machine. It can write you whatever you need. It can write you an article. It can write you YouTube thumbnails, give you YouTube thumbnails, Instagram thumbnails, Pinterest, whatever you need, you can find it here. All you gotta do is ask it, right? A email about how much money the $25 business. Exaggerate. Now you can pick something like that, right? $25 business. I pick something. I like putting stuff like that, right? And you just hit. All right, so there you go. That's an email for you right there. It can write them for you. You don't really need my emails either, you know. But anyway, once you get the email that you want and put it in there, you click on perfect timing. You put your link in there. Where my link at? Right there. Interested? Yeah. All right. So put your link in there. You make sure to preview. Make sure your link works, guys. Always check and see if your link works. Because if it doesn't work, the people that you're sending it to can't buy your product. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all there to it. Send the email. You're done. That's all it takes. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.